No one questions the right of the Japanese to be in control of their nation, Japan. No one argues that the Japanese need to be converted into a hated minority in their own nation through mass importation of non-Japanese. The nation, Japan, is the home of the Japanese people. Any non-Japanese in their home, the nation of Japan, are guests in the home of the Japanese. Japanese have the right to be in control of their own home. If the guests are not happy with the way that the Japanese operate their own home, then the guests can leave. All non-whites that are in the nations of Western kind are left with an option: to acknowledge that the nations of Western kind are the homes of the people of Western kind and to not be anti-white. That is to say, to not promote things that lead to anti-white outcomes, etc. Or they can select option 2, which is that if they are not happy with these facts as have been expressed and the way that the people of Western kind manage their own homes, then these non-whites are free to go to the nations of their own people. If these conditions are not satisfactory to them, I hold no animosity towards non-whites. As long as they are not anti-white and acknowledge who is in control of the nations of Western kind, then they may enjoy existence within Western civilization. Western civilization is a projection of the biospirit of Western kind, and is something that only exists because that the people of Western kind exist. When Chinese occupy a region in another nation, one example that you will see of a projection of a biospirit is the creation of Chinatowns, for example. So, this is another manifestation of the projection of one's biospirit onto an environment. No one chooses which people that they are born into. However, being an anti-white is a choice, a very contemptible decision that one personally makes. And those anti-whites that make the decision to be this way will subsequently receive just condemnation and derision for seeking to harm the well-being of Western kind. All peoples have the right to preserve their race and culture and to pursue their well-being, including Western kind. We affirm and universally apply this right. Knowledge is power. Regards, Bryce.